So guys, I'm discussing about that. How can you set up and install the Google Tag Manager on your particular website? What the purpose? First of all, we know that here Google Tag Manager invented by the free solution introduced by the 2012. Google Tag Manager is the for managing Google Analytics, advertising, and other tracking tags across your website or multiple websites. So you can track your LinkedIn strategies of your ads, and you can selecting for Google AdWords conversion tracking code. How you can tracking the traffic. This all will be placed the code by the Google Tag Manager. The one solution we can all tags will be copied by the one Google Tag Manager. First of all, how to set up. In this one, we can go to my option will be called tagmanager.google.com. This is a particular URL. Don't forget the URL. Enter it. First select your website, skill to digital. First of all, it's generating for two codes. Create account, first option, company name, and select the country. Add your website name. Don't give the HTTP. Now, target platform, web, for use desktop and mobile web pages. Only iOS, Android or AMP. Not this. This is only for web purpose. Anytime we can't select the multiple option, we can't select. Only one will be select. The option name is called web option. Web will be for use on desktop and mobile web pages. Create it. Now we are asking for language, English. Accept the terms and condition. Save. Generating for two tag verification code. Now it's going to create your page. Now done. Is a code. You have one question is there. Suddenly the codes were removed or close the option. Simple. Here one ID will be shown to here. Just click here. The code was visible. The code will be two will be placed. First of all, code will be placed for header format. Second for code will be copied by the body format. Now go to website. Control U. Control F. Head format. Is a head. Head open and close option. Second one. Body of the tag. Here head will be closed and body will be start. In the header, in between one code will be there, body will be one code option. Now, first of all, log in your cPanel option. From login cPanel, go to a particular page. Which page is showing for head file and body page. And go to file, edit, here head, and where is the body option? Here is the body. Code will be copied. Body of the tag. Now check. Previous any code is there, head and body. No. Refresh it. First code will be header part. Second code will be body part. Now refresh. Everything will be ready. Click for OK. After that, simple here. Go to weekend score will be submit option. Submit. Publish it. Any text you can select it and publish by your option. The tag will be published on your particular things here. Now will be finished successfully. Your Google Tag Manager will successfully be set up by your particular website. See here. This option we can give a particular website. So this one. In this website we can add it for Google Tag Manager. Compulsory remember code. One is header, second will be body part to track the any code. How will we track the code? Simple. Go to tags. In this, we can add by the Google Analytics option. Any number of tags will be there. The tags will be analytics, ads, remarketing. Lot of options are there. So here, custom HTML pages, everything, including here one more important option is called Google Ads calls, website conversion. Second thing will be LinkedIn Insight option. So what are the ads you're running? They're converting for LinkedIn Insight option. This will be using for Google Tag Manager option. This is a setup process for Google Tag Manager in a particular website.